ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that helps users generate text-based responses for a variety of tasks, from drafting emails to brainstorming ideas. It can assist with productivity by streamlining repetitive tasks, offering creative input, and organizing thoughts efficiently. Saves time on writing and planning tasks, provides instant suggestions and ideas, automates routine communication, helps improve writing clarity and effectiveness. Step 1. Signing up for ChatGPT. Go to OpenAI's website. Click on Sign Up and create an account using your email or Google credentials. Choose a subscription plan, free or ChatGPT Plus for enhanced features. Once logged in, you will see a chat interface where you can start typing prompts. Step 2. Crafting effective prompts. Good versus bad prompts. Write something about meetings. Improved prompt. Write an email requesting a meeting with my manager to discuss project updates. Make a to-do list. Improved prompt. Create a daily to-do list for a marketing manager balancing content creation and meetings. Brainstorm ideas. Improved prompt. Give me 5 creative blog topics for a tech productivity website. Prompting tips. Be specific about what you need. Include context like tone, audience, and purpose. Use direct instructions such as list, summarize, or write. Step 3. Using ChatGPT for 3 common productivity tasks. Drafting emails. Example. Write a polite email following up on a job application I submitted last week. Tip. Specify the recipient, purpose, and tone. Creating task lists. Example. Generate a step-by-step plan to organize my workspace for better productivity. Tip. Ask for a structured format, for example, a numbered list or bullet points. Brainstorming ideas. Example. Suggest 5 unique ways to automate daily admin tasks in a small business. Tip. Use open-ended questions to encourage creative responses. Practice exercise. Ask viewers to write 3 different prompts they could use in their work or personal life. Test their prompts in ChatGPT. Assess whether ChatGPT's responses were helpful, and refine the prompts if needed. Conclusion. Key takeaways. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for productivity when used effectively. Writing clear and specific prompts leads to better responses. It can assist with emails, task management, brainstorming, and more. Next steps. Experiment with ChatGPT's advanced features like API integrations and plugins. Explore ways to automate workflows using AI-powered tools. Continue refining prompts to get the most out of AI interactions. Final tip. The more you practice writing prompts, the better ChatGPT will work for you.